My band's like family. But their family? That's a different story. Our drummer just had a baby. Yay! And now I'm stuck on a group text with every family member from here to Kalamazoo. That's not gonna fly. To block text messages from certain people or disable all incoming text messages, I just go to my account information, then enter my Virgin Mobile phone number and my current account PIN, and hit submit. Then tap View All Account History. Then under the messaging section, press Edit Settings. To block messages from specific people under block text, enter their phone number or email address. Then click Update. Sorry, Grams. Ugh. This calls for drastic measures. At least till baby mania is over. To disable all incoming text messages, all I need to do is go back to where I blocked that last phone number. View all account history. Back to Edit Settings. Check the box and click Update. But before you click Update, remember this means all, every single text. You hear that? Music to my ears. Block all text messages or messages from one specific person without breaking up the band.